What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Corgi AI, which has pumped up 15% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump up from this point onwards? Is it going to drop back down in value? Looking at where it's going and covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy it before it pumps up higher? Is it time to sell it before it crashes back down? And also looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and going into 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is quite interesting. It's been literally going in and out of every single zone there is over the last couple of days. So we're going to be thoroughly looking at where am I expecting it to go. Is it likely to crash back down into the red zone, or is it going to pop up higher and potentially hit a new all-time high? But we'll do that later on in the video. For now, I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Corgi AI, which is here in purple, and we can see it actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Corgi AI over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting this crypto to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially heading down to 0.00105 cents, somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So guys, it's not a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value. However, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading to 0.0012 to 0.0013 cents, somewhere in that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Corgi AI over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, I am expecting this crypto to be hovering around its current price range, guys. So an overall neutral price is expected. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, again potentially heading to around 0.0014 to 0.0015 cents, somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to be, pumping up to over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to around where it's trading at the moment by mid to end of next week. So do expect it to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very, very positive, very bullish, heading upwards. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 2 weeks. The graph thinks that it's going to keep going that way, it's going to keep pumping that way over the next couple of weeks. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting from Corgi AI over the next 6 to 8 weeks is for it to drop back down in value quite heavily, potentially down to about 0.0002 cents, somewhere around this price range is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at towards the end of this year and early next year as well. Not something you guys may have expected. However, the crypto has gone for an overall increase in value, a major pump, meaning guys, an overall drop in value is expected. And let me just get the Fibonacci scale out for you guys. Looking at this chart here would make more sense. As you guys can see, it literally broke out from the red zone on the 10th of November, which was just over a week ago. It literally flew out all the way up here, dropped back down into the red zone, and right now pumping back up. So yeah, the overall outcome over the next couple of weeks seems to be more on the negative side. Dropping back down into the red zone is what I'm expecting from Corgi AI over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So if I am expecting such, for example, like a major crash or a major pump in between, if they've got any upgrade or news that come across, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, I am expecting an overall drop in value. So let's get out of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume hasn't moved much. It's still at around $1 million, but over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting the trading volume to go even higher than where it is at the moment. As obviously it's pumping, we are going to see much more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers as well, a lot more sellers. So before I go any further, just a little announcement, guys. If you guys are interested in joining my Telegram group chat, the link to that will be in the description box down below. Yes, it is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off, as it is usually $29.99. However, this discount code is only valid for a certain amount of time and for a certain amount of members as well. So if you want to join, make sure you're quick as the space is running out. And also, what happens when you sign up, you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is just a general chat where I'm going to be showing you guys updates on Bitcoin, predictions, analysis, and so on a regular basis. Don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot. And I'll also be sharing analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. And the second chat is just a general chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Again, I am a long-term trader, so I don't often buy and sell cryptos, but when I do, it is a very, very good price entry and a selling price as well. But yeah, this 2 group chats you're going to get put into once you sign up for $14.99. Again, the link is in the description box down below. And now back to Corgi AI. So yeah, this is my take on this crypto. Not expecting anything huge from the crypto over the long term. And for those of you asking, have I invested into the crypto? No, I haven't, and no, I will not be investing into it, as I am expecting it to crash back down over the long term, which again would not make sense for me to invest into. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your expectations and your predictions from Corgi AI, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.